Hello everyone! I'm going to tell you a story about two boys who are named Timmy and Benny. They were classmates, but they had a very different attitudes towards sharing. Timmy was a kind-hearted one, and he always loves to share, making him popular among his friends. Benny, on the other hand, didn't like to share at all, but one unexpected event taught him the true joy of generosity and friendship. But before we're going to continue our storytelling, please hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you. Once upon a time, in a cheerful little classroom, there were two boys named Timmy and Benny. Timmy was a kind-hearted boy who loves sharing, especially when it comes to his snacks. Every day during snack time, Timmy would open his lunchbox and happily share his cookies, sandwiches, and fruits with his classmates. Everyone loved Timmy because he always made snack time fun and friendly. But Benny? Well, Benny was different. He didn't like to share at all. He would bring his snacks, keep them close, and eat them all by himself. These are mine, Benny would say, clutching his food tightly. He never wanted to give even a tiny piece away. One day, something unexpected happened. During snack time, Benny was walking to his seat with a tray full of snack when, oops, he tripped. His snack stumbled on the floor, his sandwich got dirty, and his cookies turned into crumbs. Benny looked around, hoping someone might help him, but nobody offered to share their food. Feeling sad and hungry, Benny slumped in his chair with an empty stomach. But then, Timmy noticed what had happened. With his usual big smile, Timmy walked over to Benny, holding out half of his sandwich. Here, Benny, Timmy said warmly. You can have some of mine. Benny was surprised. He looked at Timmy and asked, Why do you always share your snacks? Aren't they yours? Timmy just smiled and said, Because sharing is fun. It makes other people happy, and when they're happy, it makes me happy too. Benny thought about Timmy's words. In that moment, he realized that sharing wasn't about losing what you have. It was about making someone else's day brighter. From then on, Benny decided to stop being selfish. He started sharing his snacks with Timmy and the other classmates. The story of Benny and Timmy shows us that sharing brings joy to both the giver and the receiver. Acts of kindness can strengthen friendships and create a more caring and happy community. Being generous helps others in needs and shows the importance of putting others before ourselves. In the end, sharing not only spreads happiness but also teaches us the value of being selfless. And in the end, Benny indeed learns to share. And at the end, Benny indeed learns to share. So thank you everyone for listening until the end of my story. And before I end this video, I would like to request the viewers to please hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and goodbye.